First of all, go to File and choose Open. Select this first image and hit Open. Now go to Adjustment Layer options and choose Channel Mixer Adjustment Layer. Here enable the monochrome option. Now go to Blend Modes and choose a darker color. Double click on this channel mixer thumbnail to open the Properties panel. Then decrease the constant and see the final result. This is the best way to isolate the red color from any picture. Let's continue the same process with other images. First double click and select this second image. Then hit Open. Here select the channel mixer adjustment layer. Enable monochrome. Change the blend mode from normal to darker. Now go to channel mixer properties. Here decrease the constant to -3%. Now is the time to see the final result. Go to the image folder, select this third image, drag and drop it into Photoshop. Now take the channel mixer adjustment layer, enable the monochrome option, then go to blend modes and choose a darker color. Double tap to open the layer thumbnail. Here modify the constant like this. Let's see the final result.